Welcome to Online Education Tech channel. Subscribe this channel, get more updates. Increase your general knowledge questions and answer.
GK questions for kindergarten and class 1. Age group 3-6 years. This section has specially curated basic general knowledge questions and answers for preschool kids. But before you begin with the questions, introduce them to the concept of quizzing with easy and simple GK games like the odd one out or pick the right color. And then, you can start quizzing them on these questions. So, shall we get started?
How many months do we have in a year? Answer: 12 months. How many days do we have in a week? Answer: 7 days. How many days are there in a year? Answer: 365 days. What is 2 plus 2? Answer: 4. Which number comes after 6? Answer: 7. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Answer: 7. What are your ears for? Answer: listening/hearing. Which day comes after Friday? Answer: Saturday. We use our eyes to see, hear, feel, eat. Answer: see. What type of insect do you see in this picture? Bee, ant, butterfly, spider? Answer: butterfly.